I'm going to show you guys what I mean in this post. For those of you who just stumble upon this video being on YouTube, it's on I'll post a link to the actual post in question in the video's description below, I guess. Oh, well, that's nice. Fallout 4 says it's still running. So, let me solve that problem first. Hey, Fallout, here's a hint. You're not running. You're just there. You didn't exit properly. That's another problem I'm having, but I'm pretty sure everybody has that problem every once in a while. Alright, let me grab my controller here. I kinda got pissed and threw it, so give me a second. But you guys will see why I got pissed in a second. I'll find that other battery later. Now I hope OBS is catching this. So you can see the game is running perfectly fine on the loading screen. I get in. Any second now. Yeah, don't mind my health. I have invulnerability mode on because it's bugged and I'm not starting a new game. This isn't the issue. I'm waiting for the issue to actually happen. Let's hope this beacon only be I'm not touching my controller. I wasn't touching my controller. I hope that audio cut happened. Right there. Perfect. I am not touching my controller, by the way. Well, I hope that gives you guys an idea of what the fuck is going on. I hope somebody has an idea on how to fix it. It's super annoying. Can't you tell?